6:45. I know this is a sparsely populated area, but again, we are concerned about our viewers who live in Owen County. Definitely want to take cover if you are in the line of this particular storm. If you are in Owenton, if you are in Pleasant Home, you need to take cover immediately. Again, we have had some reports of some very large hail associated with this storm, and we can go ahead and show you just outside of Gratz, where we have seen some of that large hail being reported, anywhere from half-dollar size to tennis ball size hail being associated with this storm. So again, this is what we're concerned about right here. Squiresville, Pleasant Home. We do have the potential of at least some circulation in the upper parts of the atmosphere heading toward Owenton. Expanded look right here. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning also for Owenton, but again, this is the main guy that we're worried about here. This nasty looking hook that we're picking up, some very strong winds and potentially some circulation. So if you live in Owen County, definitely take cover and head to the lowest level of your house. If you don't have a basement, the basement really the best place to be. You certainly want to head into a bathroom. That's one of the safest locations you can be in. We'll go ahead and just take a quick look at the storm relative winds right now, indicating where the winds are when you have the red and green, those matching up, an indication that we're seeing some circulation, some twisting in the winds, at least in the upper parts of the atmosphere. Not overly impressive right now, very light winds, only out on the order of about 5 miles per hour. Again, this is in the upper parts of the atmosphere just outside of Drennan Springs. So this is a nasty storm regardless of whether there is a tornado in it. This is dropping some incredible hail and bringing down some very, very strong winds as well. In addition to some very heavy rainfall, you will certainly be dealing with some flash flooding concerns with this particular storm. So we'll go ahead and show you the live radar information right now. Again, just outside of Pleasant Home, we are seeing that hook, that signature hook that we're picking up right here. A very strong storm near Owenton, Hallam, Long Ridge. You are all in the line to see this storm, and this is going to continue to track to the east at about 35 miles per hour. Let's go ahead and do that track for you, show you who's going to be feeling the impacts of this storm. Looks like near Canby around 7:09, Owenton around 6:55. Right now it is 6:48, and this tornado warning runs until 7 o'clock. Keep in mind, if you're in Henry County, the storm has moved out of your area, so your tornado warning should have been canceled, but we still have a tornado warning in effect for Owen County, and definitely be on the lookout for some very strong winds, some very large hail. And we'll just go ahead and show you near Canby around 7:09 and 6:55 for Owenton. This very powerful storm bringing down quite a bit of large hail as well. So just quickly show you about, as far as the hail is concerned, what we're seeing. We have had a lot of severe weather today, reports of some very heavy rainfall in addition to some very gusty winds on the order of about 60 to 70 miles per hour. We're having reports of hail in the upper parts of the atmosphere near Gratz at about half-dollar size. So this is a big storm, and this storm will continue to track off to the east at about 35 miles per hour. I know if this is not impacting you, you certainly want us to get back to the CBS Evening News, and we will do so as soon as possible. But again, we just need to show what is going on and give an indication and a quick heads up to our viewers in Owen County. Again, you have a tornado warning that is in effect, and that is until 7:15, and we have winds on the upwards of about 60 miles per hour with this storm moving east at about 35 miles per hour. It's about 9 miles west of Squiresville, so if you're familiar with the area, this is the area that is currently under the gun, so to speak. So very strong winds, and we'll just quickly give you another track on this before we send you back to the CBS Evening News. Give you an idea of where this storm is headed. And again, not a whole lot of towns that are going to be picked up on the radar. This is a somewhat more rural area, but still a concern of ours as well. Near New Columbus around 7:11, Hessler around 6:59. Right now it is 6:50, and we are looking at that hook that we are most concerned with right now. So central Owen County, you continue to have a severe thunderstorm warning and a tornado warning that runs until 7:15 tonight. So this is going to continue to push off to the east at about 35 miles per hour. But if you are in the line of this storm, certainly you need to take cover immediately. Let's go ahead and send you back over to the CBS Evening News.
Finding out not only why, but for how long. We've known for a while that it's important to boost the immune system of babies, but this was really the first study to show that babies who were exclusive